Hi, Keto friends. This is RJ with Keto Over 50. I came across this fabulous chart of the new food pyramid and a list of do's and don'ts. It's so keto. I thought you might want to take a screenshot, print it out, put it on your fridge, cupboard, or somewhere handy where you'll see it, or maybe even make it into a screensaver. It will help you to quickly confirm if you're on the right track with your food choices. Keto is being proven to be one of the very best, healthiest meal plans ever. I also include intermittent fasting, and I keep my eating to within a 6 to 8 hour window. That really helps to cut out the snacks. Intermittent fasting is so helpful. In fact, when I started on keto nearly 4 years ago, I had no idea how much I snacked. From the time I woke up and had coffee with a cookie to a late night bowl of cereal or other high carb snack, right before bed. No wonder I'd gained weight. I hope you'll pause and take a good look at this. It really helps to be sure you're making the right, healthy keto choices. Stay beautiful.